and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are putting in some lights in this passenger car and we get some passengers as well. So let's do it. To get started we need to open up this passenger car, and it's rather simple because we only have two screws right at the top of the roof, and we loosen them and the roof will come right out. For this project I have chosen to use the ISO lighting strip. It is specifically made for large-scale model railroads, and the most important feature for me is the power pack, so the lights won't go out when I have a little bit of dirty track ahead of me. The light will stay consistent. There's the roof upside down, and here are the lights right out of the box, and when we fit them inside here, we can see they barely fit front to back. And what I have noticed, the roof has some pre-manufactured slots to screw in some lightning strips, but none of the holes will line up, so I have to figure out a solution for that. In the good world of video editing, I have a solution seconds later. I love it. So I manufactured this aluminium strip, which will be screwed to the roof in the pre-manufactured holes, and I will tape the lights onto this strip via double-sided tape. That's what ISO recommends anyways. Okay, I got the plate and the double-sided tape installed. The screw heads stick out a little bit, but I don't think they will hurt anything. So I will peel off the second layer of the tape, and then we are ready for the strip. Oh no. Get it right in the middle. And press it on. And it sticks to the roof. Whoa! What happened? Yeah, I know. Since the last clip you've just seen, 2 weeks have passed. I've got interrupted during the project, but today we are finishing up the passenger car. So let's go! A few seconds ago you have seen me install those lights, and now we have to install the axles and some rear lights. We have to do the wiring. And last but not least, we have to install all the passengers in the car. So let's start by getting some wiring done and install those axles. Alright, both boogies are installed back on the wagon. I've soldered the wires to the power pickups of the two axles, and when we have a look inside the car, we can see I've routed the wires beneath the benches through the baggage compartment, and here we have a whole bundle of wires which I will connect to the lights. In the back we have the rear lights, which I installed with a little contraption to hold the LEDs up. So that's the status for now. I have soldered the wires to the lights, and before I go any further I wanna test if they work. So I've got my power source and I will switch the lights on, and they come on. And yes, we do have tail lights as well. So that's good for the moment. I will tune in the brightness. You have two potties to decide how bright you wanna have your lights. And after I have done that, I will go and find us some passengers. That will be next. So normally passengers would pay to have a ride in this beautiful wagon, but since we have bad times, I had to pay to get some passengers. There they are. I've got a lot of passengers, and now I will get them sorted out and seated in this car. That's the rough layout I've come up with. I think that looks very good. And since I don't want to use glue, I will use double-sided tape to tape them in place. I think that will be sufficient. So we will see us when I get done taping them. The passengers are installed, the roof is back on, and now we have to see what it looks like in the dark. Isn't that awesome? We've got lights and we've got passengers. It looks so good. I can't wait to run this coach on a layout. And there we have the tail lights, which will mark the end of the video. So I hope you have enjoyed this project as much as I did, and we will see us in the next one. Bye!